Day 2 in Thailand. Hawadika. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Song Wat.
Song Wat. Ayan yung traffic ng Thailand. Hawadika. Pupunta sana kami ng...
Going to take the airport rail line. Going to Makassar. Then transfer to Phetchaburi.
So bibili kami ng single journey na ticket.
Going to English
Singling.
Makassar. 2:30 na. 10, 20, 10.
So dapat i-keep nyo to hanggang doon sa babaan nyo. Kasi need nyo pa itong i-insert paglabas nyo sa exit. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Chao Phraya River. So bababa tayo sa Makassar.
Today, we're exploring one of Bangkok's hidden gems, the Song Wat Road. Tahimik lang siya compared sa ibang parts ng city, and it feels like you're stepping into a different time. Along the road, makikita mo yung old shop houses, vintage details and small cafes that give the place so much character. Habang naglalakad ka dito, mapapansin mo yung simple beauty, weathered walls, wooden doors, street signs, and locals just going about their day. It's a mix of old Bangkok and modern creativity all in one place. Hindi siya yung type ng place na flashy or crowded. Song Wat Road is more about slowing down, taking it all in and enjoying the moment. If you're looking for a calmer, more soulful side of Bangkok, this place is definitely worth visiting. Song Wat Road is such a picturesque part of Bangkok, especially dito sa area na puno ng cafes and food spots. Surrounded by small restaurants and cozy cafes, the street feels relaxed and effortlessly charming. The old shop houses give the place that vintage look, habang yung modern cafes naman add a fresh creative vibe. Habang naglalakad ka dito, you'll see people enjoying good coffee and simple conversations. May mix ng history and modern lifestyle. Kumbaga parang slow, chill version ng Bangkok. Everything feels unhurried. from the food to the people, making it the perfect place to sit down, eat, and just enjoy the view.
Ano, right?
Hi. Can I have one? Ah, Diri ta sud.
Asa gali ni? Diri man ni, no? Di man ni sa mangga, no? Labi na yan, kay init juga siya mas mga tanan.
Hi.
Cute na nga Ah,
Wow.
the prawn? Prawn, ano naman na? Patay? Birds na?
Ha?
Birds na.
Kuya, what to?